Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I just bought the Samsung Buds Plus earbuds for myself. I have been using the Plantronics Voyager for last three and a half years, but now as you can see, it's kind of broken. So I thought this is a good time to explore a new earbud. So I got this off from Amazon, and I also got a free wireless charger pad. It says it's a 9-watt fast charge with fan cooling. So I'll probably open this later on, but let's get started with the earbuds. So I'm doing the unboxing for the first time, so please bear with me if there are any issues. So the box looks good. Uh, let's check where is it made. The box is printed in Vietnam. It's made by Samsung in Vietnam as well, and it has the serial numbers and model description. So before I start with the unboxing, I have two phones, Android and iPhone. So I thought, based on the reviews, the Galaxy Buds work fine with both Android and iPhone. So I was initially planning for AirPods, but I heard that they don't work well with Android, and similarly, Android pods might not work good with iPhone. But for the Buds Plus, the reviews were good. So let's get started with the unboxing. So let me try to peel the sticker. Okay, so the seal is cut, and what do I have inside? So there's a manual, I think so. Yep, there's nothing else in this box. And I think this is a quick start guide, terms and conditions. So we'll probably keep this. So what do I have in the box? I think this is the charging cable. Yes. So it looks like a USB-C charging cable, and I have some earpieces as well. So let's keep that aside. So this is the actual earbud. It's a small case, so quite neat. There is a plastic paper type of seal on top of it. Let me pull this out. Okay, so there you go. This is the earbud case. I think it supports wireless charging, and there's a USB-C charging as well. And this is made in Vietnam by Samsung. So let's keep this here. Let's hold this and let me keep this here. This goes here. So there you go, guys. This is the Samsung Buds Plus, and if you see, the charging light is on. So it's a small headset and pretty tiny and neat in a small enclosure. I think the iPhone, sorry, not iPhone, the AirPods is slightly bigger like this. So this seems to be a small one. It fits in the pocket easily. And if I compare it with my headset, the earlier one, the Plantronics one, it's smaller than that. So that's pretty neat. See, this is what I was using. This has got the volume control on this side. This is the power button. This is the mute button. So I use this normally for calls, and because this got cut in here, it is having issues these days. So that's why I was looking for a earbud which actually had all the features of the Plantronics one. There's a new Plantronics one which is also good, but I wanted to try out the Samsung Buds. So this one has got, I think, volume control on the touch area, which is this area, and I suspect this is the mic. I believe it has got three mics, two inside and one on the outside, or it could be the other way around. Okay, so there is one more mic in here. There is one mic in here, and I think the third mic would be somewhere near the earpiece. And I don't know if it has got a mute button. I would definitely love that. Otherwise, it will be I'll not be happy if I have to send it back without a mute button. When you're on calls, you often have a lot of background noise, so I definitely have to mute my audio. So I don't want to use my phone to mute it every time because I might be away from my phone. I see a small button here and here. I don't know if that's going to do something or that's just a dummy one, but yeah, I'll give it a try. So this is pretty neat, nice pair of earbuds. I'll test it out on both the Android and iPhone. I think both of them have got the Galaxy, no, it's called just Buds Plus app through which you can customize both the earbuds, do some kind of adaptive noise cancellation. I don't know what that means, but I'll still try it out. It doesn't have active noise cancellation, I suppose, so it could mimic some kind of functionality. So I will try it out and let you guys know. Again, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do leave your feedback and give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I have other travel videos. As I said, this is the first time I'm doing a tech unboxing. I normally do travel videos, so please bear with me if you see any issues or if you have any feedback. All right, thanks.